Okay, this video I'm gonna show you guys these 3 extensions that will be very helpful for you, that you can download on your Google Chrome or your laptop. So let's get into it. Open your Google Chrome on your PC, your laptop. Open your Google Chrome and search for Chrome Web Store. Search for Chrome Web Store. And make sure you go to the official website, Chrome Web Store, right here. And now I'm gonna show you the first extension, and that is Midnight Lizard. Search Midnight Lizard. This is it. Click on it. And with this extension you can customize, as you can see, custom color schemes of 4 websites. You can change this screen of your websites into dark mode and other colors like blue, as you can see. So I'm gonna click on this. You can scroll down and read about the extension. As you can see right here, choose between dark, light, grayscale, so you can choose different colors of the screen of your Google Chrome when you browse at night, because this extension will be very helpful for you. So what you're gonna have to do is click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. It's being downloaded right now. Alright, it's done. So if you want to pin this to your Chrome, to your Google Chrome, so you can have easy access to it at the top right corner of your screen, just click on this icon and search for the extension you just downloaded, and this is it, Midnight Lizard. Search for it and click on it, and that's how you can pin your extension to the screen of your Google Chrome. So let's click on it. As you can see right here, these are the things you can do. Activation, background, as you can see right here. So you can switch this on or off right here. Right now it's off, and right now it's on. So that's what you just have to do, just switch it on or off. So I'm gonna go into Google right now, search for anything. Okay, so right now, as you can see, my Google Chrome is in dark mode right now because I just downloaded this extension, this Midnight Lizard. So I can open my Google Chrome at night and read at night in dark mode. So this extension is very helpful. I'm gonna click on it. Okay, let's go into background. You can change the colors. If you want to adjust anything, you can adjust right here. It's very simple. You can do so much more with this. The buttons, you can change the colors and stuff like that. Activation, as you can see, activation schedule. Use custom schedule, as you can see, use system color scheme schedule. So you can set all this. Text, if you want to change the color of the text also, you can do that right here. Current color schemes, you can change. Grayscale, Halloween, this is it. Okay, I don't think I saved this, so I'm gonna click on it again and apply. As you can see right here, the color of the Google Chrome is changed. As you can see, you can browse in different colors. You can reload the page, as you can see. So I'm gonna change this into something else, some other color. So I'm gonna change this into yellow and black. Okay, click on apply. Make sure you click on apply to save the effect. As you can see right here, the color of the Google Chrome is changed. So this is how you can change the color of your Google Chrome. When you're browsing at night, you can change into dark mode. Just download Midnight Lizard, pin the extension to the top right screen of your Google Chrome of your laptop. So click on current color schemes and choose any color that you want right here. I'm gonna go back into default, or I'm gonna choose Halloween, and just go back to the defaults and click on apply. Make sure you click on apply so you can save the setting. And that is the first extension I'm showing you. So right now we're gonna go back into Chrome Web Store and search for full screen capture. Alright, this is it, full screen capture. Click on it. This is the second extension I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna see different extensions right here. You can click on the extension to filter the search. Right here, as you can see, you can download this, go full page. Now you can scroll down and read about this extension. As you can see right here, capture a screenshot of your current page in entirety and reliably, as you can see. So I'm gonna add this to Chrome. With this extension, you can capture the current screen of your Google Chrome, what you're browsing. So click on add extension. And it's being downloaded, adding to Chrome. Also, if you want to know if these extensions are safe, of course they are safe. You don't need to worry. So I'm gonna go into this icon and pin this new extension to the top right corner of the screen, and this is it. Click on it. As you can see right here, just click on it and the screen is being captured. As you can see right here, this is the screen, the current screen of my Google Chrome. So this is how you can take screenshots on Google Chrome, and you can also save as a PDF file. You can download image this to your laptop or your PC. You can delete it if you don't want it. You can edit options. Alright, you can change options right here. So this extension is very cool, guys. You can do so much from this extension. Take screenshots of the current page what you're browsing and save, or maybe save as PDF file, or save as image, whatever you want. So that is the second extension. Let's go back into Google Chrome. Okay, now we're gonna search for Grammarly. Search for Grammarly. Alright, search for Grammarly. this is the extension. Click on it. Make sure you go into the right extension. This is the right extension. Click on it and scroll down and read about this extension. As you can see, with this extension you can correct the spelling of whatever you write in Google Chrome. Just read this. As you can see, improve your writing with Grammarly's communication assistance. As you can see, you can improve your writing with this, your spelling and all that. So this extension is very helpful. So just click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension, and it's being added right now. Okay, it's already added. Okay, it's added. So click on this icon to pin the extension to the screen of your laptop. That's your Google Chrome. Okay, click on pin, and this is it. So I think I'm gonna need to sign up for this extension, Grammarly for Chrome. So what you're gonna have to do is sign up, and when you sign up you can have access to this. As you can see, sign up now to unlock the following. You can unlock personal dictionary, save and access your documents and all that. So what you're gonna have to do is sign up. So these are the 3 extensions. Subscribe and drop a comment what you think about these extensions when you try them out. So thanks for watching.